Good morning, 9th Standard English Medium, GT Shet Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Okay, guys, in last video lecture we are learned lesson number 6, Charutaram Vasantam, written by Kalidas. This 5 shloks from Ritu Samhar. And we learn shlok number 1, 2, 3 in detail. And today we learn shlok number 4 and 5. Okay guys, I think you are very much familiar about now introduction paragraph as well as the 5 shloks about this and as well as the glossary. So it is very wonderful shloks, very wonderful lesson in our textbook as a poem lesson, and this lesson is very much important in examination criteria in translation portion, as well as this lesson is described in grammatical section Tatpurush Samas. Means most of the word from the Tatpurush Samas, compound of Tatpurush from this lesson, and I think you must be make the list about Tatpurush Samas from this lesson. Okay guys, so now you are very well understanding about 1, 2, 3 shloks, which one I described in last video lecture, and today I am talking about shlok number 4 and 5. So now today we learn shlok number 4 and 5 like that. There is the fourth shlok is in Anushtup Chand. Guruni vasansi vihaya turnam tanni laksha rasaranjitani suganthi kala gurudhupitani dhatte janah kama madala sangah. Means the person who is full of love, and the person is very much feel lethargic type of itself in spring season, and with lethargic things, that's why they change the heavy cloth and they wearing a very weight cloth, which one dye with the laksharas. Means laksharas means laksh, it's a one type of the trees trees natural color, and spring season it's sometimes there is the very much heat are there also, so the pramadya jananam means the lethargic lethargic type of feels the human person, and that's why they change the heavy cloth, heavy garments, and wearing a very beautiful light cloth, which one very dyed with the laksharas, and this is the lightweight clothes are there. So this is the shlok number 4. And fifth one, kim kinshuke shukmukhacha vibhinna bhinnam kim karnikar kusumena hatam manoje yat kokila punarayam madhur vachanebhi yunam manah suvadanam nihitam nihanti. This shlok is describe the each and everything in spring season is a beat for each and everything with its own duty. This shlok is described like that. The translation of this shlok is like that. Is it not the mind of the youths interested in ladies with the beautiful face broken by the Karnika flowers, means Kesura flowers, brightness of Kesura flowers. Have you know Kesura flowers? We know about at the holy season Kesura flowers. It's like a beak of parrot. It's a shape of beak of parrot, and it is a very bright orange color. Poet is described like that. Kesura is broken the beautiful ladies attraction, beautiful ladies face attraction in young persons. Why? Because Kesura's beauty is very much very much good in this spring season, and also as well as the Kesura flowers broken the beauty of ladies. Why? Because its own beauty, it's wonderful things. There is no describe to other things. And the other things like that, Kesura's flower bright like the beak of the parrot. It is the not defected by the beautiful Karnika's flowers. Of course, there is also beautiful Karnika's flower, which one beautiful for the beautiful lady's face. This is the comparison, this is the comparison about the nature's things and the ladies' beauties. So why then this kokila bird is killing again by the sweet notes, and as well as the kokil means koel, cuckoo sing very beautiful sound in the spring season. So koel sound is also broken our heart, which means this is the emotions about love. This is the inspiring about the love. Spring is love season. So Kalidas described like that. Each and every beauty of nature is killing the person's heart, as well as they are losing the beauty of the beautiful ladies, and all nature is winning in spring season. So this fourth and fifth shloks describe like that. When I give the translation, you are very much clear about these shloks. Of course, Kalidas is a scholar person, so his work is unique, and sometimes it's very hard for understanding to us. So now, guys, and this is the Sarva Charutaram Vasante, lesson number 6. Okay, today we also discussing the exercise about the lesson number 6. First of all, we are talking about the MCQs are like that. Page number 22, MCQs are like that. Vasante pavana kidrusho bhavanti, vasante pavanah sugandhi bhavati. Okay, the second one, kaha madurehi vachevi manah nihanti, means kokilah madurehi vachevi manah nihanti. Okay, third one is rekhankit padasya samas naam likhat. It is vapi jalanam sobhagyam dadati. So vapi jalanam is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष compound. पद्य शब्दस्य अर्थ क्या है? पद्य शब्दस्य अर्थ lotus. पद्य means lotus. Sorry, padma means lotus. Padma, but not padya. Padya is a poem. Padma is a lotus. वदनम शब्दस्य पर्याय शब्द मुख, face. It's called vadan in Sanskrit. Okay, now on page number 23 there is the संस्कृत भाषायाम् उत्तराणि लिखत. अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानां संस्कृत भाषायाम् उत्तराणि लिखितः. वसन्तं सौभाग्यं कस्मै ददाति? श्लोक नंबर, you must be find out the answer in the श्लोक number. Second one, आम्रद्रुमाणां वापीजलानां कुसुमलतानां and प्रमदजनानां सौभाग्यं ददाति. Spring season give the beauty of like all that. And लाक्षारसरञ्जितानि वांसांसि कीदृशानि सन्ति? लाक्षारसरञ्जितानि वांसांसि नीलाः सन्ति. Why? Because लाक्षारस is the नील. नील means black. यूनां मनः क हन्ति? कोकिल यूनां मनः हन्ति. कोकिलः. So second question, अल्काः कीदृशाः सन्ति? अल्काः नीलाः सन्ति. लाक्षारसजन्तानि वासांसि कीदृशानि सन्ति? इट इस् तनूनिः सन्ति. एंड द फोर्थ, यूनां मनः कं हन्ति? कोकिलः यूनां मनः हन्ति. सो दिस ऑल फोर श्लोक्स फोर क्वेश्चन आंसर इज हियर. Question number 3, मातृभाषायाम् उत्तराणि लिखित. You must be write down yourself. Why? Because both question in English, so you must be write down in English. Fourth one, क विभागं ख विभागेन सह यथार्थरीत्या संयोजतः, means please match this क and ख. सलिलं means सपद्यं. प्रदोषाः सुखाः. प्रमदजनानां अलकेषु गुरुणिं वसांसिं विहाय and जनः धत्ते तनूनिं वासांसि. So this all are very clear about lesson number 6, Sarva Charutaram Vasante. Everything is more beautiful in spring season. Okay guys, take care yourself at your home. Goodbye, have a nice day.